Welcome to the Academy of Learning in Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence. Are you struggling to grasp certain topics in your studies? If so, you're in the right place. If you're a university student passionate about computer science and artificial intelligence, eager to enhance your skills and knowledge in these exciting fields, this channel is for you. We are committed to providing clear, useful and engaging content tailored for university students, covering a broad array of topics in computer science and artificial intelligence. On this channel, we offer lessons on the fundamentals of programming languages, data structures, algorithms, and other related subjects. Our AI and machine learning content spans from basic concepts to advanced techniques, such as deep learning, neural networks, and their real-world applications. Whether you're beginning your studies or are already advanced, our mission is to make learning computer science and artificial intelligence enjoyable and beneficial. Join us and embark on your academic journey. Additionally, I aim to prepare university students across various fields of computer science and artificial intelligence by offering short videos introducing different specialized subjects. My goal is to provide students with access to essential lectures for each topic and help them understand the core content and expectations of their studies. Occasionally, I will deliver brief lectures designed to engage students and enhance their understanding of AI fundamentals and the latest advancements. Finally, I am excited to launch this channel with a special video produced using AI tools, offering an insightful look into the evolution of AI technology. I am an associate professor in computer science and artificial intelligence with over 17 years of experience in both local and international universities. Our aim is to simplify knowledge and share it widely. I look forward to connecting with you soon. Take care. Glory be to you, O Allah, and praise be to you. I bear witness that there is no deity but you. I seek your forgiveness and turn to you in repentance.